And look at this, guys. Look at, I have farming, eggs, para. Look at this is working perfectly. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. Let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. Then scroll down and you will find the online tool Delta Executor for Roblox. And now just enter your username. So let me enter mine quickly. Let me click connect to the server and let's wait for the searching. Okay, user found, just click connect and click import latest Delta Executor and select script that you want to add to your account. Click continue and let's wait a little bit. So guys, this is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, and believe me, this is the best working method. Okay, just scroll down and click verify now and let's see the next step. And now we are on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. The app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So guys, I will on this just play and hotspot loop. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this status completed, success, redirecting almost done. So let's wait for this final step. And guys, injection successful, that's it. If you have this message, so let me open my Roblox and let's test, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay, let me play this Grow Garden and let's see, does it actually work? I hope it's working. Okay guys, I'm now in the game and look at this. We have this panel and thank you for using Delta. We have this message, guys. Look at this, click on home button and let me click this niches script and just wait a little bit. And look at this, guys. Look at, I have farming, eggs, para. Look at this is working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thanks for watching and see you in the next. Bye.